First of all, when I open this wall, what will happen? And what is the importance of CO2 room is? Now let us see how the system works. We do not want blowers to run. Jai Mata Di guys. So let's imagine this is a huge engine room and we are a part of the small engine control room over here. If there is a fire outside, the first thing that I can do is, sir, I'll take this portable fire extinguisher and I can extinguish the fire. The second thing is, I can start the fire pump and immediately with the fire hydrant outside, I can extinguish the fire. Come, let me show you. So guys, if there is fire over here, I can use this portable extinguisher, right? Fire hydrant over here. With this fire line. And I can extinguish the fire. But have a look at the place. It's huge. It's huge in the room. And if there is a big fire, you know, there is tens of thousands of liters of heavy oil, tube oil, fuel oil in engine room over here. A small fire, if not extinguished in a span of 2 minutes, this whole engine room can have fire, guys. And you know what will happen? The ship can sink, the ship will go, we might die. So this is not enough. What we need is, other than this, a more important system. CO2 system. Come, I'll show you this line. Can you see this CO2 line over here? All these red lines. Can you see that nozzle over there? Come here. Can you see these nozzles over here? Guys, they are not just over here. They are all across engine room on every damn platform. And from these nozzles comes CO2 into the engine room and then extinguishes fire by cutting off oxygen. Come, let's discuss that. Guys, अभी हम लोग इस शिप की जान, that is safety system है, that is CO2 room. We have come out there. And what is the importance of CO2 room is, suppose if engine room catches fire and we have to extinguish it. So in that case, we use CO2 system. But before entering the CO2 room, here is a blower and we have to start it. It has started. You can hear the voice. And now we will keep it open for some time. Okay guys, now for the next 5 minutes, we will keep it in open state and if there is any CO2 in the room, if it has leaked, let the room get properly ventilated. That's what our common intention is. Copied? Okay guys, after 5 minutes, now the room is properly ventilated and entering inside. This is the CO2 room exhaust fan and now you can see over here, यहाँ से
Do you want to learn how to operate CO2 fixed firefighting system on board ship? Do you know who is responsible for activating CO2 system for engine room flooding and on whose orders? Have you ever heard the sound of CO2 alarm? Do you know when the CO2 pre-activation alarm is sounded in engine room and what should be your action? Do you know the purpose of time delay unit, pressure gauge, pressure switch, isolating valve and limit switch function in CO2 system? Do you know how do we decide the number of CO2 bottles required for extinguishing fire in engine room? Well, you can find all your answers in Visionary package by visiting Merchant Navy Decoded. Thank you.